If the trim piece that surrounds the climate control unit, red arrow, has been removed before, you may be able to easily pry it off from around the unit without cracking it. If the piece, like on our project car, has never been removed, it will be a really tight fit. I decided to remove the ashtray, yellow arrow, below to get a better angle on the piece and eliminate the chance of breaking or cracking it. Before you remove the trim piece, make sure to put the transmission in gear to clear some room, yellow arrow. As you can see, I have removed the ashtray as the trim panel on our project car just would not let go without me worrying about breaking or cracking the piece. If yours is really stuck and you want to remove the ashtray but you don't know how, please see our article on ashtray and center console removal for additional assistance by following the link at the end of this video. With the ashtray out, you can reach under with your fingers and start to pull the bottom of the trim piece away without worrying about damaging it. On the top section, you want to pry it out as close to the clips as possible. This photo illustrates the 4 clips that hold the trim piece in place. When prying out the upper clips, get the tool as close to the mounting points as possible, red arrows. Wiggle and pull the control unit out from the dash. There are 4 plastic clips, red arrows, 2 shown, on the top and the bottom that hold it in place. Turn the unit over and remove the wiring connections by pushing down on the release tabs and then moving the hinges on 2 of the connections down, red arrow. This will push the connectors out. The other connection is simple. Release the tab, yellow arrow, and pull the connection from the unit. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.